Hi friends, I'm KAVYA. I'm creating using this web designs. In this HTML we are using this tag of using HTML head and title. We are using in this experiment we have to show about what are information, audio, video recordings, and then for that we are using this style tag, head, body, and div tag, table. For this we seeing this is paragraph tag. We are using this is paragraph tag, and video we are creating, audio also we are creating on the SRC control width, and audio we are creating as control loop, and this width 100%, with this 250 pixel, height is 200 pixel we have created. After that we have field set with this 400, height is 200, label and username, password we are creating in this placeholder we are using. Then closing the label tag, and then submitted we are creating in this input type, and then closing this label tag and body tag, font tag. After that for this margin we are using font, right, margin is 40 pixel. After that we are closing this table tag, and then for this map we are using this iframe. For showing this map using this iframe SRC in the google.com map, and then closing this table row, table, div tag, and body tag. In this we have seen for this we have shown whatever we have did. It is showing this output, product, nick name, and then audio. This is audio, this is video we have created, and this contact as we used, and this here register, here enter username, password we have used, and then we are creating this map also we have created. And then next we are showing about informations about a person, information details about some personal details. We are using this for personal, using a tag of field set, and legend tag, and table, label using a first name, and this placeholder also we are creating, and the first, last name, middle name, date of birth, using age of year. For the gender using as a radio button we are creating using this male and females, and the process value is 20, max is 100, and this address details we have created with this 300, height is 70, state, city, town, state, and then after this this progress value is 40 and max is 100. And then we are using this contact information we are creating in this telephone input. For this telephone number using a pattern properties we are creating, then email id creating, and this website input type. After this progress is value 60 and max is 100%, and this showing this percentage of this result. And education details we are creating, qualification, board, university, country, ending year, then percentage, and then checkbox. After the checkbox we are creating which an optional want to select, or checkbox you using this select option, select tag we are creating from this optional value, choosing this states, India, USA, UK, Paris, Canada, creating. Then starting year, date of starting year, date of ending year, using on this input type number, minimum is 0, max is 100, the percentage is 70. And then optional, which option we want to select, we have shown this here. And then placeholder we are creating, then same like that all thing we have created. Then after that we are closing, then showing this result 80% of 100%, 80% out of 100%. And this we have to save in this document, in document or PDF format, on input type file except PDF name resume. And then checkbox we are using checking this file, and progress value is 100, max is 100, in this 100 out of 100. And this closing this break, opening break tag, and closing this break tag, and then form to creating in this experiment. And this input type using this submit, to submit is all this informations, and closing this form tag and body tag we are using. And then after that it shows in this result whatever we have created, it is shown. Submit your resume, personal details we have created, and gender using in the radio button, male, female, address details used. And then we are creating contact informations we are creating, and then education details we are shown, so 60%, 10th, 11th, BTech or MTech, and for this using checkbox we are creating the choosing which you have to select where shown, and this date and ending year, and then this is starting and ending year, then percentage we are writing, and all the thing we have created, and this and store this file in this document or PDF on this file, and this information has been stored and we can store in the submit forms. This way we are creating this in this experiment. Thank you.